Welcome! This video will explain the steps needed to set your mobile number for account verification. By the end of this video, you will recognize why it is preferred to use your mobile number as the primary method to verify your account, and then we will go through the steps to set your mobile number as that primary verification method. Now, we will explain why it is preferred to use your mobile number as the primary method to verify your account. Effective July 1st, 2025, Voya became the new record keeper for MSRS-administered defined contribution plans. To keep your account secure, the Voya system requires multi-factor account authentication. We recommend entering your mobile number as your primary method for account verification to maximize functionality of the system. When participants use their email for verification, the system will not allow you to add or edit your banking information nor complete online withdrawals. For those reasons, we do not recommend using email for verification. Now, we will walk you through the steps to set your mobile number as the primary method to verify your account. Step 1. Log in to your MSRS online account. That includes visit the MSRS website, enter your login credentials for MSRS account online, select how you'd like to confirm your identity, and enter your verification code. Step 2. Select Go to Savings Plans. Step 3. Select account activity that occurred July 1st, 2025 or after, then select Continue. Step 4. Select your name at the top right of the screen, then select My Profile. Step 5. Select Security Settings. Step 6. Under Security Settings, select View. Step 7. A verification code will be sent to the account verification method that you indicated the first time you logged in after July 1st. Enter your verification code and then select Verify. Step 8. Select Mobile Number and then select Save. Step 9. A verification code will be sent to your mobile number. Enter your verification code and then select Verify. You have now established your mobile device for future account verification. Thank you. Please contact MSRS if you ever need support. Thanks again.